Officer down.
We need to go. Get us in the car! Get him in the car! Let's go! Get him in the car! Where are you shot?
On April 16, 2023, Richmond and Oakland officers pursued a kidnapping suspect after a cyclist discovered a severely injured woman in the Oakland Hills. This body cam captures the confrontation. Like, comment, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage.
Let's go, Brandon! Get us in the car! Get him in the car! Let's go! Get him in the car! Someone drive him! Where you shot? Let's go! Where you shot? Where you shot? You ran over. Oh shit! Take them!
Okay, doing a U-turn.
Oh,
Going back northbound on 37. You need to choose project.
We need to go! Come on, let's get him!
This final stretch is raw. After a desperate chase, officers confront the suspect. You don't see faces, but you can feel the weight, the exhaustion, the tension, and the tragic finality of it all. It's a haunting reminder of how fast things can spiral.
Alright, he's passing 7. Looks like he's going to turn. South on 7.
He just lost the tire.
Yep, he lost the tire. Alright, get somebody beside him.
Send phone, get inside.
Scoot up, Preston. Southbound on 7th Street coming up to Jackson. Check, we got units on 9 also. 8.
Just hit, he's 7-4, he just 2-7.
On a tense afternoon in West Memphis, Arkansas, officers engaged in a dangerous high-speed chase that would soon escalate into a deadly confrontation.
Service road.
Steve.
Come out here, ma'am.
Steve. Steve, let me see your hands.
Trying to get you to shoot him. No.
Where's the gun?
In his hand.
Ma'am, come out here.
Is it the rifle?
Yes, and a handgun, Steve.
Steve, let me see your hands.
He's got the gun in his hand.
Steve!
Ma'am, come out here.
Come out, ma'am.
No.
Back out, back out. Ma'am. Come out. Ma'am, you're making this worse.
He needs help.
I know, but you got her right here.
He needs help.
Yeah. Ma'am, I need you. We want to help him, but you got to come out. Okay. Out. Back up. Back down. Side. Just to the side.
Come on. Come on.
Don't shoot.
Come on. Come on.
Don't
Go
shoot.
downstairs. Go downstairs. Go downstairs, ma'am.
He's been busy.
Go downstairs.
He's gonna shoot him.
Roy, Utah, July 7th, 2023. Police respond to a call of a suicidal man armed with multiple firearms. His mother is inside trying to defuse the situation. The standoff begins.
It looks like it's a rifle. Put the gun down. Hey, you know me. Hey, we talk all the time, bro. No, if you put the gun down, put the gun down. I'm not going to come up there with the gun in hand. I will talk to you, but you need to put the gun down. Come down to the bottom so I can talk to you. Steve, I can't hear you. I want to talk with you, but I can't hear you. Keep your hands out of your pockets. Keep your hand out of your pocket.
It's pleading. The officer's voice cracks with tension, trying to reach the human being behind the weapon. You can tell he doesn't want violence. This is raw, real, and terrifying. It's the sound of someone begging for a peaceful ending.
Well, stop! 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 Stop!
Hands in your pocket. Stop. You're going to get bit by a dog.
Get your hands out of your pocket! Get back! You guys get back! He's got something in his hand. Gun in his hand!
Put it down.
You don't have a shot!
Drop the gun. Get on the ground.
No? Man, send the dog. There's people over there.
On April 13th, 2024, around 10:54 a.m., Clark County Sheriff's deputies responded to a reported carjacking suspect near a Goodwill store in Salmon Creek, Washington.
Don't move! Don't move!
After the suspect is down, the tone completely shifts. You can hear the officers switching from high alert to protocol, securing the weapon, checking the building, calling in medics. It's a controlled chaos.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
No, you're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Is there anything else I need to fill out?
So if you can tell me what the vehicle is and how much you think that it's valued at.
Like how much I paid for my car?
Yeah, or how much you think that it would value at right now.
Okay.
Okay.
They found it.
Where is it?
1656 Hunt Club over here off MLK.
Heather Glenn.
Is that the other place? That's those apartments. Like on that one road where the two gas. You must have walked. How far is that?
I'd say about...
On November 12th, 2023, deputies from the Okaloosa County Sheriff's Office responded to a domestic dispute and theft complaint at McLaren Circle in Florida.
Do you know your tax?
Tensions escalated quickly.
It's okay. What? are you okay? Get in the house! Get in the house! Jesse! Get back, get back! Where is he? Where is he?
In the car!
43, give me traffic. Shots fired, shots fired. I got a deputy down.
No! No! Please, no!
The moment was unexpected. Deputy Hernandez's sudden scream and shooting surprised everyone. It shows how even a small sound can trigger a strong reaction.
Jesse, how are you? Okay. 43 SO, I need EMS. I need EMS on standby. Suspect is going to be in the vehicle. Where are you hit? Where are you hit?
No!
Get back!
No!
Get back!
Anybody to do anything, please! No!
Somebody hit my vest.
Okay, okay, okay.
No!
Get back! Get back! I'm not going to tell you go! Get back!
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! You know. I'm here! What? I'm here! In the car! I was shot! In the car! Oh!
Deputy Hernandez saying he was killed, then saying he was okay, shows state of confusion and fear.
I'm good. I feel weird, but I'm good.
Jesse, come back.
Mark you right there. Dude, am I hit?
Let's get further back, further back, further back.
Hey, let! Drop the gun!
Helen Miller.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Hey! 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 He's going down there in the parking lot. Into the parking lot. Into the apartment complex. Hey, roll out! Go around! Hey! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! He got the gun now!
Center perimeter, guys.
Drop the gun!
Where are you now?
Drop it! Drop the gun! Drop the gun!
On December 16, 2022 in Houston, Texas, police pursued a carjacking suspect through city streets before a foot chase ended in gunfire at an apartment complex.
Drop the gun! I got him! I got broke hands, don't move! Get down! Don't move! I know, I got you in the leg. Stop picking up the gun, man! Don't move.
Here comes the aftermath. Frustration, confusion, and that lingering tension. The officer isn't just angry, he's exhausted. You hear it in his words. He wanted a different ending, but this is what it came to.
Taser! Why would you tase my brother? He didn't do shit!
Radio, he's send me another car.
I didn't even do anything.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop.
What? Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Please do not touch me. I'm not doing anything.
Stop.
You are being recorded. I did not do anything, ma'am. Can you please let my arm go? Why are you grabbing me?
Because I
Why
asked
are
you to stop. You're
grabbing
at
me?
a
Stop
traffic stop.
grabbing me. Please stop grabbing me.
Radio,
Ma.
step it up.
Ma. Can you please stop grabbing me? I didn't do anything. I don't know. This lady just
Get on the ground.
Stop grabbing me. What are you doing?
You're not going in the house.
Yes, I am. Move. What are you doing? Stop. What are you doing?
You're on a traffic
I
stop.
don't know
You need
what
to
you're
stop.
doing.
Okay,
Why
you need to get out.
stopping me?
You need to stop.
Can you please leave me alone?
No.
I did not do anything.
Get on the ground.
Whoa.
Get on the ground.
Ma'am, you are being recorded.
That's fine. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
I don't have a weapon.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Why?
Get on the ground.
See, my hands are free.
Okay, get on the ground.
I didn't do anything.
You're not listening. Get on the ground.
I didn't do anything.
February, Wickliffe, Ohio. A traffic stop turns tense when a man with multiple warrants refuses to comply with police commands. The body cam captures what happens next.
What did I do? I am recording you, ma'am. I'm not getting on the ground.
You're not listening. Get on the ground.
I got you recording.
That's fine. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground right now.
Get in the house.
On the ground. On the
I
ground.
have a heart condition.
Get on the ground right
Get in the
now.
house.
Taser, taser, taser.
Why would you tase my brother? He didn't do shit.
One's been tased.
Fucking tase this nigga. He didn't do shit. We wanted for the law.
Get in the house.
Move me, bitch. You think you never
Hey, get back right now. Get back. Get back.
Shoot me, motherfucker.
Get back.
Get in the house.
I'm not moving. Get off me.
Hey,
You're obstructing. Get in the
get
house.
back.
You touch me. I'm not That ain't just go in the house, bro.
Yo.
Get us a couple more guys. Somebody came up here.
Get off me.
Turn around.
No, bro.
You want to obstruct? Turn around.
Standing right here.
Let's grab this guy.
Oh my God.
I'll give it to you again if you give us a problem. On your face, on your face. Hands behind your back. Okay.
Oh my God. I didn't do anything. Oh my God.
Now the officer breaks down why this wasn't a simple stop. You get a clearer picture. Ignored sirens, improper turns. The moment she feared for her life, it's not just what happened, it's what could have happened. One wrong move, and this scene could have ended much worse.